Hi everyone, now it is early 2020. Discover has finally rolled out its contactless payment credit cards. This feature has been available in a lot of other major credit card companies, including Chase and Amex, so Discover is a little bit late to the game, but better late than never, right? For those of you who are unaware of what this contactless payment technology is, basically it allows you to use your credit card to tap on a payment terminal that accepts contactless payment. This allows you to very quickly and securely process payments without ever revealing your credit card number to the vendor. It works the same way as you would if you used Apple Pay or some other mobile payment option. So in this video, I'll just be showing you the unboxing of this new contactless card and also how you existing Discover It users can request a contactless card yourself. And for those of you who have yet to own a Discover It card, it is a bottom line fantastic cashback card. I've done reviews and unboxings of it previously on my channel. So if you're interested after watching this video, definitely please consider applying through my referral link down below. You get an additional $50 statement credit when you apply through referrals. All new accepted Discover It applicants will receive the contactless payment option automatically. But if you're like me who has owned the Discover It card prior to them rolling out this contactless payment option, you can go ahead and follow these steps so you can request one yourself free of charge. So you can either go ahead and click on the link that I'm providing in the description to directly send you to this page right here, or you can simply log into your account and then click on manage and then the link for add or replace card. From there, it's really straightforward. You just pick the design that you want. You can pick the same one that you currently have, or you can pick a completely new design. The great thing about Discover It is that they give you a wide range of options to choose from. So once you pick out the design, you can go ahead and select it, whether or not you want to replace the current card that you have. If it's still fairly new or the magnetic strip has not worn out in any way, I would just go ahead and add it as an additional card just in case. And then just click submit, and then within a week or so you should receive this in the mail. So it comes in a very plain envelope from Salt Lake City, Utah, where Discover is based. Opening up the envelope, you only have two pieces of paper, one of which is just a simple advertisement overview of how the contactless payment works in the card, and then the other piece of paper is the one that has your card on it. So I decided to go with the space design here. You can take a good look at it right now, see if this is also a design you would consider picking out. But the big difference here is just this additional contactless symbol here on the back. Here's a quick comparison between the card that doesn't have contactless payment built in and the one that does. So visually speaking, that is really the only way you can differentiate between one that has the contactless payment option and one that doesn't. Otherwise, the form factor, the weight, the thickness is pretty much exactly the same as one that doesn't have it, so you don't need to worry about the new card being heavier or taking up more space in your wallet. So anyway, it's a no-brainer. Go ahead and request that contactless payment card if you don't already have. Instructions in the description below. And once again, if you don't have this awesome Discover It card yet, please consider applying through my referral link. You get that extra $50 bonus as well.